Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to extract zip file on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to the zip file that you want to unzip or extract. So I'm going to click on my file manager right here. Then I'm going to make use of my search app right here. And then this is the zip file that I want to extract. So I'm going to simply click on it. Then it open up like so. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top right here. Take me right here. Next thing we want to do here is to simply click on open with. Right here. Click on open with. Then you can simply go back again. And you have this. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on extract and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on extract. And in a few seconds, everything is going to be extract. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on done. It's as simple as that. Then you can go to your file manager and fill the information that you have in the zip file after you unzip it. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to extract zip file on Android phone without installing any app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.